Here's something we do. A lot of you probably didn't even know, but we do it because we love you. We want you to feel beautiful. It's during sex, during lovemaking, if you will. Because we want you to feel beautiful, is we make noise. We don't have to do that. We've been jerking off in our parents' house since we're 12 years old, like a ninja. When we're jerking off alone, we're not gonna, I got me. Slow down, Andrew, slow down. I jerk off like a serial killer. What's for dinner, Ma?
They want us to stop using anti-animal language. Horrible things like killing two birds with one stone. We gotta stop using that term because animals, they understand it, and boy, are they furious when they hear it. I mean, there's a reason those birds shit on us, and definitely they heard us saying kill two birds with one stone. Definitely the root of the problem, you know what I mean?